What are the possibilities that Tesla may soon buy back its stock? According to experts, if Tesla is able to build 10 million vehicles annually at a profit of $15,000 per vehicle, that amounts to an operational profit of $150 billion. If investors were to take a 30 multiple on that profit, it would translate into a market value of $4.05 trillion. I hope you understand what I'm saying, but if you're feeling overwhelmed by numbers, don't worry, we'll break that down in this video. Please watch to the very end and hit the like button, as well as subscribe. Let's maintain the video for as long as possible. According to Tesla believer Dave Lee, many Tesla investors have requested a stock buyback. A stock buyback occurs when a business utilizes its capital to repurchase shares of its stock from the market, thereby raising each investor's percentage of ownership. This is the 2021 equivalent of a share repurchase. Leo Kogan quietly accumulated one of the largest stakes in Elon Musk's business, and in September of that year, he disclosed via Twitter that the value of his assumed holdings had increased to $4.05 billion, $5.05 billion, and eventually over $7 billion. Elon's potential has been greatly according to a tweet by Kogan. There has been rumors about a repurchase mission since mid-October. Kogan stated that the only way to address Tesla's P ratio compression is through a buyback that would result in a twofold boost in earnings. Leo Kogan, an Indonesian billionaire and the founder of Shit International, has been a longtime supporter of Tesla and presently holds over 23,201,500 shares of the EV business. It appears that has been a vocal supporter of Tesla's share buyback. Musk responded, stoking rumors that Tesla would undertake its first ever share buyback. Also on Twitter, Leo has recently tweeted that he hopes the firm would repurchase another $1 trillion in shares between 2022 and 2026. Leo previously forecast that Tesla's market cap would soar if the company repurchased $1 trillion in shares between 2026 and 2030. If the company repurchased $1 billion of its shares between 2026 and 2030 at $1,000 each, this would reduce the number of outstanding shares from 3.14 billion to roughly 2.14 billion. The billionaire investor predicted that Tesla's stock price could increase to $5,000 from $3,000 per share. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, announced in a tweet that while the amount of money was enormous, Tesla, Elon, or both are doing buybacks at $35.7 billion. Because of Tesla's cash availability, this revelation came when Elon sold additional company shares to cancel his sale of approximately $35.7 billion in Tesla stock this year. All I'm recommending is a repurchase of $5 to $10 billion to keep reserves strong in case they need to be increased. Funding from bank loans or the selling of bonds. Leo stated that he purchased 52,300 shares on top of the 23 million shares he already had. According to David Lee, it is more unlikely than people may think that if Tesla produced 10 million vehicles a year if the company generated an operational profit of $30,000 per unit, it could make $150 billion annually. If investors were to multiply that amount by 30, the company's worth would increase to $4. However, the majority of that money would be better off being invested in Tesla stock. Buybacks at the humanoid robot Optimus, which could go on sale as early as 2028 or 2029. If Tesla is successful in selling 10 million vehicles annually, would increase the company's operational earnings by $250 billion or $1.25 trillion over the course of 4 to 5 years. Lee goes on to explain that Tesla has low capital expenditure demands and that we have allocated 80 to 90% of available funds for this purpose. Let's imagine that Tesla can buy back 150 billion shares annually for the next 4 or 5 years, which equates to 600 to 750 billion, not quite the 1 trillion that Leo claims. However, there are a number of factors at play here. For example, the operating profit per vehicle at Tesla can be $20,000 or more. This assumption buyback is heavily contingent on Tesla's execution, as stated on the company's most recent quarterly earnings call. We've discussed the possibility of a stock repurchase, which Tesla CEO Elon Musk could undertake if Tesla were to successfully sell 20 million humanoid robots in a single year. Multiply that amount by 4 years, and you have over $1 trillion brought up, although the board has discussed it extensively and generally believes that a repurchase would be beneficial. The the corporation is still figuring out how to carry it out, even if 2023 might prove to be a difficult year. According to CEO Elon Musk, Tesla can still conduct a $5 billion to $10 billion buyback. While the board must still approve and evaluate this, there will probably be a sizable buyback. We've been hearing about Tesla's robot taxi concept for a while now, but it looks like we're getting close to it finally becoming a reality. Here's everything we know about CEO Elon Musk's master plan, Park De, published in 2016, which outlines how profitable it would be for the company to manufacture and market its small robot taxi. Musk stated that it was important to think long-term despite the market and its team's emphasis on the immediate term. In another tweet, Leo explained how profitable it would be for Tesla to manufacture and market its tiny robot taxi, saying that the company could make $200,000 annually by charging $100,000 per FS to individual owners and 20 to 40 in fees. In April 2022, however, at the opening of Tesla's new factory in Austin, the concept was presented as regular Teslas with full FSD capability. Once Tesla achieved full self-driving, they would create a Tesla network taxi service that would use both Tesla's own vehicles and customer cars that would be hired out when not in use. It's interesting to note that Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas will act as the first manufacturing line for this revolutionary car in the automotive industry, according to plans for secondary development in Mexico. Many were taken aback by this discovery because they had anticipated a different beginning point. The Texas facility, part of a large 20-acre complex, is continually expanding with significant extensions planned, as we will see as we navigate Tesla's dynamic stock journey. Reminding viewers to keep educated and conduct their own research is crucial, because there are a lot of potential turns that might eventually have a big impact on Tesla's stock price. The commercial manufacturing and sale of the Cyber by truck, the release of new Tesla models, advancements in completely autonomous driving technology, and other related issues are all worth monitoring. These factors will significantly affect Tesla's stock price and, consequently, the returns on investments made in the business. Why is the market giving Tesla so much attention? Tesla is not only a vehicle manufacturer, raising the main concern on everyone's mind. How could Tesla attain such astounding stock values? Inquiry into this subject. When Texas Musk revealed that the business was developing a specialized robotic cab that would have a futuristic appearance, it made headlines. Tesla's current approach relies solely on a camera system, unlike other automakers who are betting on a combination of cameras, LiDAR, and radar. During the earnings call, there was no mention of the sensor suite that Tesla is considering for the vehicle, or whether it would use a modified version of the company's full self-driving software to navigate its surroundings autonomously. This concludes the news regarding the Tesla repurchase. During the call, Musk appeared confident that their strategy would be successful later this year. Leo believes that shareholders will benefit greatly if Tesla is unable to carry out this plan. Did you find the video educational? If so, please share your thoughts in the comment section. Also, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed it.